Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Fusion key fob. First, find the small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key. Once released, pull the emergency key completely out of the fob. This action reveals a crucial slot for the next step in opening the case. It's a simple first step. Now, with the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot inside where the key was. Take a small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert it into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as they separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small circular battery inside. Before removing it, take a moment to note which way the battery is facing, usually with the positive side up. Carefully pry out the old battery. Then, insert a new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. To reassemble your key fob, simply align the two halves of the case. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Your key fob should now be fully functional with its new battery. For an upgraded clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.